iOS 18 will be released soon, and now is a good time to review the steps to make sure your iPhone is ready to update. Here's a step-by-step video guide to help you prepare for a smooth transition to the latest version of iOS. If we haven't met, I'm Ellen from Ellen's Tips for iOS.com, where I help seniors master their iPhones and iPads. If you find the video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. First, let's make sure that your iPhone can run the latest version of iOS. Now, you could go to Apple's website and locate that information, but I'm just going to drop in a screenshot from apple.com that lists all of the iPhones that can be updated to iOS 18. I'll also put in for iPadOS 18, I'll put the device compatibility list as well. So check those out. Make sure that your iPhone model is listed there. If you're still unsure, another way to check your iPhone model is to open the Settings app, tap on General, tap on About, and locate the model name. Once you locate the model name, you'll know what iPhone you have. Now you want to be sure that you have enough free space to install the update. You'll need around 10 gigabytes of free space for iOS 18, and here's how to check that. We'll open up Settings, we'll tap on General, and now we'll tap on iPhone Storage. And at the very top, you'll see the amount of space you have free and the amount of space that's on your iPhone. So I have 103.4 gigabytes left, which is plenty of space to install the update. But say you don't have enough space. Well, there are a couple of things you could do. You could delete old apps. So I'm going to swipe out of here, and to delete an app, you would just push and hold on it, tap on delete, and then confirm that you want to delete that app. You could also remove old photos or videos. So if I swipe out of here and I come into the Photos app and I tap on Select in the upper right corner, now I could select as many photos as I want to delete, and when I'm ready, I could tap the trash can. It'll ask you to confirm that, and you can go ahead and confirm that, and those videos or photos will be deleted. Another option is maybe you have too many text messages, so open the Messages app. You can swipe left on any message and tap on the trash can, and that message will be deleted. So those are a few ways that you can free up space on your iPhone. The next step, we need to make sure that you're backing up your iPhone. This ensures you won't lose any important information if something goes wrong during the update. And so to check that, again, we're going to open Settings. We're going to tap our name at the top. We're going to tap on iCloud and scroll till you see iCloud Backup. Tap on that. Make sure that you have these toggle switches turned on. You don't necessarily need backup over cellular, but make sure you have the toggle switch on that says backup this iPhone, and then tap Backup Now. Below that, you'll see the devices that have been backed up to iCloud, and you'll see how much space each of those devices is taking up in iCloud. Now we want to check app compatibility. Most apps will work with the new iOS, but some might not function until they're updated. So things like your bank or security apps, be sure to open these apps and look for any update notifications or check the website for compatibility information. Special apps. If you use any special apps like those from your workplace, contact the provider to ensure they will work with the new iOS. One thing you may want to do is hold off updating to the new iOS for a few weeks just to be sure that everything is compatible with your apps. You'll need to know your passwords, so be sure that you know your iPhone passcode and your Apple ID password to update or after you've updated. You want to make sure that you have these written down or saved somewhere safe. The iPhone passcode is the code that allows you to unlock your phone. Your Apple ID password, this is used for iCloud and the App Store. If you forget it, you can visit iforgot.apple.com to reset it. Just remember that those are the key to getting back into your device after the update. You'll need a fast, stable Wi-Fi connection for downloading the update. And here's how you want to check that. You can check your Wi-Fi speed by using a speed test app like Ookla's Speed Test to ensure you have a strong connection. For me to do that, I've opened the Speed Test app. I can tap on Go. It connects to my internet. And once it does, it's going to tell me what my download speed is, how fast it is. And in a few seconds, once it finishes this, it'll immediately go to the upload speed, and that'll show you what your Wi-Fi upload speed is. Another option you could have is update at night when fewer people are online so that you can avoid interruptions. Before updating, make sure your iPhone is charged. It needs at least 50% battery to install the update. Keep your charger handy. Plug your iPhone into a charger during the update to prevent it from running out of battery. And the last thing you'll want to do is possibly wait for reviews. Sometimes new updates have bugs. It's a good idea to wait a few days and check online reviews to see if others are having issues before you update. So another thing, just in case you aren't sure how you would do this update, you would open Settings, tap on General, and tap on Software Update. And once iOS 18 has been released, you'll see the option to update listed here. You'll tap on it and the update will be downloaded to your device, and then you'll install it. By following these detailed steps, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free update to the latest iOS for your iPhone. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to ask for help from a friend, family member, or Apple support. Good luck with your iOS 18 update. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.